What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm going to be showcasing today the V3 taillights for the Accord 2018 to 2020. These here are called Space Accord taillights, and they are provided by High Ref Sports. They are on pre-sale for $330 ship with my promo code, so please email me at boosterwhipsofficial@gmail.com to get that promo code, and it will be through High Ref Sports. We're taking pre-orders until January 25th, I believe, and then after that the price will go up to $350, so take advantage now, guys. Without further ado, I'm not going to do an installation video just because it's very identical at 100% as the V1s. So I'll go ahead and I'll put the link in the description for the V1s, but it's identical 100%. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and do the power on animation so you guys can see, and then we'll take it from there. Turn signals, braking, and reverse, so you guys can see how everything looks. So that's the animation, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the turn signals. As you guys notice, the turn signals are clear white. We removed the lens that goes over it just to make it much brighter. This was the number one complaint on the V1, so we went ahead and we removed it. This will make it much brighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the brakes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse. I'm gonna drive a little bit forward, and then I'm gonna hit reverse a little bit back. Alright, guys, so that's the whole entire lighting. I wanted to point out another great feature that we went ahead and implemented on these is that we added a side light on the right here, on the side markers here, and this will give you visibility, which was another complaint that we had on the V1. So we went ahead and ramped up this design to make it much better. Its fullness has a very nice unique features. The turn signals are much brighter, and we have a side light now. So also, guys, I also wanted to mention this comes with 2 animations, so I'm gonna do a separate video on how do you change the animation on this. The one that you saw in this video is the default one, but there's a second one that you can set up, so I'll go ahead and I'll do that on a separate video. Once again, guys, these are on pre-orders for $330 shipped at High Ref Sports. Just go ahead and email me at boosterwhipsofficial@gmail.com to go ahead and get that promo code, and we'll go ahead and, you know, wrap this up. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.